Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add text in Canva image. So first, I'm going to show you what it looks like if you're going to add an image here in Canva. So first, you have to open your Canva. You can add an image by tapping this upload. If you have an image already, just have to click upload and then tap choose file and import the image. So this is what it looks like if you have an image already. So click this use in a new design or add to a template. Another thing is that you can tap this custom size if you want to look for a specific image with this given width and height. So for example, you're looking for an image with a specific width, so you just have to type it right here and also the height. Also, you can go to create a design and then look for the specific image or size. For example, if you're looking for image in a logo, so all you have to do is to tap that design or Facebook or something like that. So to find an image, go to elements and then type the specific keyword. For example, you're looking for a mountain. You can tap all graphics photos and all you have to do is to drag that photo right here. Make sure that it's not pro because if you see this crown icon, that means you need to upgrade in order for you to use this image. Going back to that image that we have, so let's just say this is the image that you import from your device or from your computer. Then in order to use this, all you have to do is to click this use in a new design. Okay, so you can also tap a specific, for example, if you want to use this in your Facebook or Instagram, then you can select that size right here. So I have to tap this Facebook landscape and it takes me directly to this. Now feel free to adjust the size of the image right here. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So this is the image that we're going to add text. Now to start, and then I'm going to show you how to add some text. So you can go to the left side and then you have to look for text. Okay, so text is below elements. When you tap this, you see this add a text box, magic right, add your brand fonts and default font style. So you can just simply tap any from the given options right here. Or you can go to recently used and it's already here. You can see the font style and the font size. If you want to add, you just have to click or drag it to the image, but make sure that this doesn't have this crown icon because it means you need to upgrade your plan. So you just have to select and then drag that specific font or font style that you want. So basically, that's it. You just have to go to text and then click this edit text or your brand font or your default font style or recently used right here. Apart from that, if you're looking for some specific or if you want to explore some font style here or font size, you can go to design and let's just say I'm going to type here marketing and I'm looking for text or font style that is related to marketing. But before that, let me add a page first and then drag that template or design right here. So if I want to copy this font style, all I have to do is to copy, drag, or let's just say right click, copy, go to the specific image and then paste or control V. And this is what it looks like. Now you can add a text and then this time let's look for different font style that you can use for your image. So tap text, add a heading. Let's just say I want to input or type it ends beautifully, but I'm not satisfied with the font style right here. So what I'm going to do is to click this canvas fonts, tap this arrow facing down, and then look for that specific font style that I want to use or you want to use for your image. You can also add some changes like tap this transparency, animate, or effects. So go to font style, canvas sans, tap this arrow facing down. And then here you can look for a different font style that you want. So we have here font, text style. All you have to do is to select that one that you wish to add or to use to your text here in Canva. For example, this one right here. If you're not satisfied, then look for another one. Don't worry, there are tons of text styles right here, font style right here, but others are under Pro. So select one that is not under Pro. Now, this is what it looks like. You can add underline, you can change or I change this to uppercase, lowercase. You can change the spacing. Okay, so everything is up to you. The options are above right here. And like what I've mentioned earlier, you can also add effects. So for letter spacing, line spacing, you just have to select the one that is you think fit to your image. Effects, you can try this shadow. As you can see, you can change the color of the shadow if you want, the direction, transparency, and blur. So if you want to change the color, just tap this one and then look for the specific color as the shadow to your word or text here. Another thing is this lift. Okay, so it's like a shadow too. You can change the intensity and you can change the color if you want. Also, apart from that, you can see this outline. You can also change the color of the outline right here and then increase a thickness if you want. And there are other options below, neon and so on. All you have to do is to tap if you want to use. And then after that, you could also, try this background right here if you want to add something. Like if you want to change the background's color into white or yellow or blue, change roundness, spread, and transparency. You just have to adjust this right here. Okay, so for example, this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to add animation or animate this, you can tap animate that is beside effects. And you can see some features and options here like basic. Okay. You can also see writing style, but you need to upgrade your plan right here in order for you to use this. Scroll down to see more animate effect. Okay, so done with the animate. Now you can also change the position of your text right here. If you want to change the position of your text, all you have to do is to tap this position beside typewriter and you can choose or place this to the specific position that you want. So we have here backward, back, align, middle, center, right, bottom. Okay, everything is up to you. And then let's just say you want this as watermark. So all you have to do is to decrease transparency of this word. So to do that, just tap this icon next to position to decrease transparency. And this is the result. So you can place it anywhere you want. You can also lock this or you can add a link. If you want to lock this, just tap this lock right here. If you want to add a link, you just have to right click and then look for link option and then paste a URL here. So when someone click that picture or that specific word that you put here, for example, it ends beautifully. If they click this, then it will take them directly to that specific website or link. So as you can see, this one link, paste the URL here, click done. So basically, this is just an easy tutorial on how to add text in Canva image. So I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.